Hi everyone, welcome to my video. I'm Sinura Wahalathanthri and today I'm here to show you how I created a responsive user sign-in and sign-up page using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. So let's move on. So this is my project. This is my sign-in page. A specialty of this design is that this is responsive. So what is responsive? Responsive means that the main objective of this design is it can observe through small devices like a phone and a large devices like a computer or laptop. So I'll show you how it's responsive in my inspect. You can see that when I go to dimensions and go to iPhone SE, you can see two different changes. So the image there was gone and the copyright statement was in here went. So I'll show you in the desktop again if you didn't see. So there is the image and the copyright statement. So when I go to the iPhone SE, it changes. So this is called responsive. So let's move on. So I'll show you my code. So here in my code, I have used three languages called PHP, JavaScript, CSS. So in this PHP, I can tell it as HTML also. So to make this project more attractive, I have used Bootstrap in this project. Okay, now let's see what I have done in this code. First, I have linked my version tag. That means this doctype HTML. So that means version 5 of HTML. So over here, I have linked my meta tags. So meta tag defines metadata about an HTML document. Typically, it's used to define a character, page description, and keywords. So let's go from there. So I have gone to my body. So I have given a class called main body. So over here I have used div. So for the div, I have given a class called container fluid and a VH100, that means full. Then deflex, justify content center, that doesn't matter. So what is this container fluid? Container fluid is our main div. So it's a way more better thing to do in a background. So let's go from here to my title. I have given a title called Hi, welcome to my eShop. Then over here I have given a DNAR LG block background. So let's move to that later. So I will first show my code, then I'll go and tell you what is it and what is it about. So I have given my create new account. So this is the main div. And for that I have given div class call 6. That means it's like a half from a call 12. Call 12 means 12 boxes. So when I break it to a half, it's call 6. So you saw over here that this over here there are two call 6. So this is code. So I forgot to show you this. So when I press this button, it goes to the other page. That means the create new account page. Then when I press this button, it goes to the other page. So you might think I'm going from one page to another. That's wrong. So if you observe this URL over here, you can see that when I press this button, the URL doesn't change. So that is the difference between this. So that's why I have put for this D none and for that D. Now I haven't put a D none for that. I'll show you in the when I go to the down. When I go down. So I have given it the title. So for that I have given a class called title2. I'll show you in my style.css title2 down. So I have given it 25 pixels and font weight bold. So for what I have put it? I forgot to tell you. So in this I have used two folders. It is fonts and resource. So in this fonts means in this font folder I have given two fonts. So one is Honey Script and other one is quicksand. In my resources, I have given my background body, background, and logo. So, in the main one, I have given main body. For that, I have given a background image called background body. That means this nice page. This. So, in my logo, I have given my logo. As you show over here, this logo. So I will just close this. Then over here, I have given my at font face. So what is this? This is the one I register my font over here. I downloaded this too from the web, and I can just put it in. So I gave it a font face and registered it. So I have given a font family. For the font family, I have registered it as my own name. So I can give it quicksand, anything, but you should remember. So I gave it quicksand as it is quicksand. So I have registered the both. So you guys might think why I put this star and put these all. So this is for all. This star means all. So when I put the star and put these two, everything gets quicksand 14 pixels. So then I don't want to every time go and just put it class. So that's way more better. And I put first title, as you can remember over here, honey script. So as you remember, this is my honey script font. And I put this background .svg, that, and let's move on to the index. In my index, I have given my first name, that means a label. So I have used a class called call6 in my div, and I gave a label. For that label, I have given a class form label. So the main format in this is div inside a div, row inside that div, and a column inside that div. You can just simply remember it like that. So the main format is div inside a div, row inside that div, column inside that row. So I have copied this and pasted it, and I have given it first name, last name, email, password. For the password, I have given another type, and it is called type with password. And can you observe that in this, for these two, I have used another thing. It's called font12, so it can take full size. So in my gender, I have given a label and a select. And for that select tag, I have put two options called male and female. So in this div, I have given my button. So in this button, I have given call 12, call large 6. Why did I put this? Then when I go from large screen to a smaller screen, it will be responsive. Then it will be more nicer. So then I have given a dgrid. Why did I put dgrid? Dgrid is a display grid. Dgrid, you can tell it as a display grid. If effect on the display helping you to have a grid layout. Like when I go from here. So if I remove this dgrid, I'll show you. I remove this. I will see something like this. It would be ugly. So I put a dgrid, then it will be more better. So for this, I have given another button called already sign up. So I have given an on-click event, and I have given it change view. And in this main div, I have given an ID called sign up box. You should put that definitely, then only this will work. So I have given another comment section called sign in, and for that I have given the same things but signing, email, password. Then the remember me tag. So from where did I take this remember me tag? From bootstrap.css. If you want to take it, the link is down the description. You can take it from the bootstrap. So it will be nice. So I have used this, and to make nice, I have put bootstrap.css. You can download it from the bootstrap web. So As well as to do this, I have linked my Bootstrap in my index, as you can see it over here. Link rel stylesheet href bootstrap.css. So in that also in this signing page also I have put change view the on-click event. So why did I put this? I put it because in my script.js I have given a function called change view. So this change view is the one who's responsible to do my animations like this. When I go from here, I will go to there. So when I go from here, I will go to there. So that's the animation that I used from the on-click. So I have put var sign up box. That means a variable. I have assigned it to a variable. I assign this to a variable called sign up box. And for the other one, even I assigned this to a variable called sign in box. So I have put sign up box dot class list dot total, and I have put a bracket and put d none. So the d none is when you press this button, this becomes d none. When you press this button, this becomes d none. Are you clear with it? If you are clear, that's so it is good. So I have given it a copyright statement. In this copyright statement, I have given it call 12 fix button. That means it doesn't move from anywhere to anywhere. So it's better. So I have given it a d none DLG block. Can you remember this? Over here also. I'll show you. Over here. This is the picture. Over here. That means this is called the picture. So I have used this d none and d large. This means LG means large block to background, because when you put this, it becomes d none when it's in a small place. Then in a d LG block, it becomes when it's big, it appears. So the same thing is done over here. So that's why I told you, when you observe it, when I go to inspect, when I make this a small screen, it will become like something like this. So when I go like this, the images go and this copyright statement goes. So let's move on. So I have given a style, as I told over here, script, index PHP, then bootstrap.css. So that's all for today. So thank you and bye.